Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Wednesday, October 24th, 2013. It's now 3:25 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all back up again today. The S&P closed up. Price remains in the longer-term upward channel framed by the black dashed lines. Price is now approaching the 61.8% Fibonacci extension level. Resistance is at 1766 as seen by the light pink oval. Support remains at 1593 as seen by the light green oval. The US dollar closed down again. Price remains in the downward channel as framed by the black dashed lines. Support is at 21.07 as seen by the light green oval. And resistance is at 22.98 as seen by the light pink oval. Here's the ADX analysis chart for October 24th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and the strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 3 strong currencies and 2 weak currencies. The following are again the qualified pairs: the Aussie Canadian dollar, the Aussie US dollar, the Euro Canadian dollar, and the Euro US dollar. I haven't listed the Swiss franc pairs. For open trades, the Aussie dollar yen trade remains open, and we're still long 5 micros at 95.06. Target number 1 is 96.01, and our stop loss is moved to 93.06. There are no new orders placed today. Here's the price chart for our open trade on the Aussie dollar yen. As you can see, we're long 5 micros at 95.06. Target number 1 is 96.01. Our stop loss is now at 93.06. Let's look at the price charts for our 4 qualified pairs today. The first is the Aussie Canadian dollar. We are in an upward trend channel. This would be a bullish trade. The second pair is the Aussie US dollar. This is also in an upward trend channel, and it would be a bullish trade. The third pair is the Euro Canadian dollar. This is in an upward trend channel, and it would be a bullish trade. The fourth pair today is the Euro US dollar. This is in an upward trend channel, and it would be a bullish trade. Thank you for watching my daily Forex trend review. If you would like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please listen to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to www.donchiantrader.com and request the free trading guide. My podcasts are now being carried on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Choosing Your Trading Strategy. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review. 2, review of the 2 indexes. 3, background on the ADX indicator. 4, determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5, selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7, and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.